Well, got a little bit of an issue. Car key, button, nada. So my guess is battery probably died in the key fob. Okay, we got our key fob, our battery, and I'm gonna grab just a straight edge. You can use a regular screwdriver as well. So what you want to start with here is there is this little notch. I'm gonna just one thing I read too is when you do pop these open, these buttons can fall out, so you want to keep them facing down. So we're going to just gently pop this open. Okay. Lift that off and lift this out. Okay. I'll get that back in here so it doesn't get misplaced. Use coin to open. Okay. I just applied pressure, one fingernail in here and the other to the clear plastic, just to get this to pop. I'm trying to do this so you can actually see it on the camera at the same time, which makes it a little awkward. Okay, there we go. Okay, there's our battery. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I'm just going to get a fingernail under here and gently holding down the corner of this black plastic and then just pop up the battery. Just remember, you don't want to short the outer rim to this surface. That it will short the battery out. So you don't want to do that. So now we'll just get this replacement in here. Pop that in. All right. Put the cover back on. Snap that in. Okay. Make sure your buttons are in, and then we'll just drop this guy back in and snap the cover back on. All right, let's go test it. All right, key, car. Hey, it works. Alright, probably about 30 feet away from the car. And it works. That was a quick fix to replace the battery in the key for a 2014 Toyota Rav4. I'm sure a lot of other key fobs are similar. It might just be how they're put together. I did see a Honda CR-V that took about 5 minutes to take the thing apart. It was not easy. So this, props to Toyota, this was a pretty quick fix, pretty easy. So again, if you think this is something you can tackle, go ahead and do it. If you don't feel comfortable, at least you know what it takes. And so if somebody tells you what it's going to take to fix it, you can either say, great, do it, or hey, that doesn't sound right. As always, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit that like, subscribe, and support my channel. And until the next video, see you later.